Okay, students, the next topic I'm having here is the fuel. Before studying about the fuel, I want to discuss about the complete and the incomplete combustion, students. As you know, we were discussing in the zones of flame that incomplete or the complete combustion takes place, right? So complete combustion is when, students, when carbon dioxide is the end product, okay, with the emission of heat and light. This is called the complete combustion. And incomplete combustion is in which the poisonous gas carbon monoxide is produced, okay, that is the incomplete combustion. Hope the complete and the incomplete combustion word is clear to you. Okay, so the next is the now fuel. What is fuel, students? The materials which burn to produce large amount of heat energy are known as fuels. Okay, means जो material burn करते हैं heat देने के लिए, that are called fuels. Like LPG, kerosene, diesel, petrol are all the examples of fuel, students. Fuels play an important role in our everyday life because they are used in home, vehicles as well as industry. Okay, so fuels are of three types: solid fuels, liquid fuels, gaseous fuels. Solid fuel includes like coal, coke, charcoal, wood, paraffin wax. Liquid fuel includes LPG, petrol, diesel, kerosene. Sorry, LPG is not a liquid fuel, it's a gaseous fuel. Okay, under gaseous fuel we study about LPG, CNG, biogas. Okay, so these are the different types of fuels, students. Okay, so as you know, students, when if we talk about the fuels, what is how can we say that this is a good fuel, or this is having the characteristics of the ideal fuel? So what we study about under the characteristics of the ideal fuel? So here are the few points. So the first is it should be fairly cheap and available easily. Okay, it should be easy to handle, safe to transport, convenient to store, okay, and burn smoothly. High calorific value, I'll explain later the characteristics. Okay, it should not produce any harmful or toxic fumes during burning. It should not leave ash, means residue बचता है ना कई बार burn करने से, like paper burn करते हैं उसके बाद ash बचता है, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. It should have proper ignition temperature होना चाहिए. It should not be too low like room temperature or too high. Okay, so these are the some characteristics for the ideal fuel, students. But there is no problem, probably no ideal fuel that we can be considered. Okay, we should look for a fuel which fulfill most of the requirements for a particular use. So per fuels differ in their cost. Some fuels are cheaper than other. Okay, so you will make the list of the fuels. Okay, so next is I want to discuss the word the calorific value. Like we have discussed the point, now it should have the high calorific value. So students, what is calorific value? As you know, all fuels burn to produce heat energy, right? Different fuels produce different amount of heat on burning. So some fuel produce more heat whereas other produce less heat, right? So fuel efficiency is, or we can say, calorific value. The word is calorific value as well as the fuel efficiency, same wording is there. Okay, so the amount of heat produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called its calorific value or the fuel efficiency. Okay, वो कहते हैं जब 1 kg फ्यूल की कंप्लीट कंबशन होती है और उसमें से कितना अमाउंट हीट प्रोड्यूस हुई, दैट इज कॉल्ड इट्स calorific value. Okay, so calorific value is expressed in kilojoules per kg. Kilojoules is the unit for measuring the calorific value, caloric. Okay, so in your book the table is given for the different calorific values, that is table 6.4. okay, different fuels are given with their calorific values. Okay, students, so students, we have discussed about the fuel, what they are, their types or their characteristics. So now I'll discuss with you the harmful effects of burning fuel, कि फ्यूल बर्न करने से क्या क्या हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स होते हैं और हाउ दे आर अफेक्टिंग द एनवायरनमेंट एक्चुअली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सम पॉइंट्स आर गिवन इन योर बुक इवन. ठीक है, लाइक कार्बन फ्यूल्स लाइक वुड, कोल, पेट्रोलियम release unburnt carbon particles, means incomplete combustion takes place when they burn. Okay, these fine particles are dangerous pollutants causing respiratory diseases such as asthma, or we can say suffocation, and finally it leads to death. Okay, so incomplete combustion of these fuels give carbon monoxide gas. It's a very poisonous gas, students. It is dangerous to burn coal in a closed room. So why it's dangerous to burn coal in a closed room? Because when the coal burns, complete combustion takes place and the carbon monoxide gas is produced. But when the room doors are closed, it found no way to exit, right? So it leads to the suffocation, and you may lead to death even. So it's advised to open the door while burning agiti is there in your room. Okay. Combustion of fuel releases carbon dioxide in the environment. Increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the air is believed to cause global warming. As you know, due to the various human activity, the level of the carbon dioxide is increasing day by day in the atmosphere, right? So due to the increase in the concentration of the carbon dioxide, leading to the global warming. Okay. It results in the melting of polar glaciers, which lead to the rise in the sea level, causing flood in the coastal areas. Low lying coastal areas may even permanently submerged underwater. So due to combustion, these harmful effects takes place. One more is given here: burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide. It can extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. Okay, petrol engine gives off gaseous oxides um, of sulfur. So oxides of sulfur nitrogen dissolve in rainwater and forms acid. Such rain is called the acid rain. Okay, so these are also the main topic: acid rain and the global warming in your book. Okay, when the rain comes, the various particles or the gases present in the air like sulfur, carbon, though when rainwater mixes with them, it leads to the formation of the acids. Okay, and such rain is called the acid rain. It is very harmful for the crops, buildings, soil. Okay, so the use of petrol and diesel as fuel in automobiles is being replaced by the CNG. CNG produces the harmful products in very small amount. So CNG is a cleaner fuel. So we should find the ways to minimize the use of these fuels. So it's all about this chapter, students. For your queries, you can contact me. Okay, or drop a message for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.